Peugeot unveiled the E-208 GTi at the 2025 Le Mans, 24 hours in France, reviving the GTi badge after 6 years and debuting it on an electric vehicle for the first time. While the standard 208 offers petrol or ICE options, hinting at a potential combustion GTi in the future, Peugeot is currently focusing on electric performance. Built on a variant of Stellantis' E-CMP platform, shared with models like the Fiat 600 and Alfa Romeo Jr., the E-208 GTi has much in common with the Abarth 600e Scorpionissima and Alfa Romeo Jr. Veloce. It features a single electric motor delivering 276 horsepower, 280 PS, 206 kilowatts, and 255 pound-feet, 345 newton-meters, to the front wheels. Peugeot claims a slight edge, with the E-208 GTi hitting 62 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds, compared to 5.9 seconds for the Alfa and Abarth. This makes it the fastest accelerating GTi in Peugeot's history, outpacing all 3 electric Mini Coopers, including the 258 horsepower JCW, which takes 0.2 seconds longer to reach 62 miles per hour. However, the JCW has a higher top speed of 124 miles per hour compared to the E-208 GTi's limited 112 miles per hour. Both cars use a 54 kilowatt-hour gross battery, but the JCW offers a longer WLTP range of 226 to 250 miles, while the E-208 GTi manages 217 miles. Charging performance is similar, with a 20 to 80% charge taking less than 30 minutes, though the E-208 GTi charges faster on AC and uniquely includes standard V2L capability. The GTi's stance is enhanced by a 30mm 1.2-inch lower suspension, a track widened by 56mm 2.2 inches at the front and 27mm 1.06 inches at the rear, and 18-inch wheels inspired by the iconic 205 GTi 1.9's rims, complete with red GTi lettering reminiscent of the 205's C-pillar badge. Red accents adorn the arch flares, grille, headlights, and 4 piston brake calipers, which clamp 355mm rotors. Inside, red ambient lighting, floor mats, seat belts, stitching, and sports seats with a central red stripe and mesh effect pattern pay tribute to the 205 GTi's 1.9 leather and 1.6 cloth seats. Set to go on sale later in 2025, likely around £36,000. The E-208 GTi promises a thrilling drive with upgraded brakes, retuned springs and dampers, a new rear anti-roll bar, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup, 2 tires, and refined steering.